we are working on 2006 Porsche Cayenne, and swapping the rack and pinion is take the wheels off. Okay, so now let's get the boot out. Oh, Dio mio. Goodness. 10mm socket on the passenger side. Let's get the shield out. 2 bolts right here. Okay, let's move it all the way to the left. I think it's a 38mm if I'm not mistaken, but adjustable wrench is doing really good job. And okay, perfect. Perfecto. Lucy is my little helper. Same thing on this side. Okay, counterclockwise. Okay, so it's going this way. Lucy is munching on something. Ah, девка, what you munching on? Let's return our steering wheel about right here. Let's measure 2 in a corner. I'm really thankful to my friend for this amazing lift that he let me borrow. We got 2 bolts here on that shield. Oh, came out nice and easy. Shield is out. Okay, we still need to move the steering wheel to get this bolt facing that way. Okay, it's a 16mm socket. It's actually good to leave the steering wheel like that unlocked with the ignition keys in, so you can kind of swivel, play with it. Okay, bolt is out. Let's move this back where it was. Just want to make sure 2 in a corner. Let's leave it like that. Let's lock the steering wheel. Okay, steering wheel is straight. Keys is out. Locked. Perfect. So we're not gonna bust the clock spring. And she is out. Boom, just like that. Out of the way. You know, I had a little play in the pinion here. First of all, I thought it was a, how do you call the крестовиночки, the little U-joints, but U-joints are good. So we got 17mm from the driver's side. This is the lower hydraulic line. Ah! Okay, nice and smooth. 10mm socket and long extension. It is easier to get from the driver's side. It's gonna be kind of long and whiny process. Rack and pinion is out. I don't need to pull it out the cradle. So what I did is wiggle this way, in and out. Watch out for this servotronic solenoid. It's very fragile. Don't snap it. Just want to make sure get those hoses out of the way. And I got on eBay another one. They did really good job to mail me pretty fast, but красавчики didn't pack it good. Look at that, the servotronic solenoid snapped. But I'm gonna use mine. When you remove it, please be careful. Make sure you leave that little filter inside. Sweetie, I have no time to play with you. Okay, wiggle gently. It's gonna be fun part. Please take your time. Enjoy the process. Let's snake this thing in. Get this side on the passenger side in. Push as far as you can. Okay. Watch out for the servotronic, this guy, solenoid. Watch out for these water hoses. Let it pass, loop over it. move the shaft out of the way. Hydraulic electric lines are intact. Everything is good. Let's get the bolts. Two inches and a quarter. From this side, let's unlock the steering wheel. Okay, so we're done here. Let's pop the wheels and off we go. And please don't forget about this marvelous little shield. This is the hydraulic oil that I'm gonna use. Around 3 hours, so you don't have to take to dealership and pay a lot of money when you can do it everything yourself. I'm gonna take that sweetie to car wash. She been treating me good, and she is pouring good. I don't even need to do alignment on it. Perfecto, man, this is so good.